This screencast continues our video series on how to use Camtasia Relay at UMass Boston. The others in this series are available at our wiki at class-capture.wikispaces.umb.edu. When you want to use Camtasia Relay, you first double-click on the icon on your desktop or on the folder in your computer. You will be asked to log in. Here you have to use the same username and password that you use to check your email or to log into Blackboard. So it would be your first name dot last name, and you do not use the @UMB, you just do first name, last name, and no @umb.edu. And again, the password should be the same as used to log in. So the first thing you have to do is select a profile, and you can see there's one already selected by default, and this is actually the one we're going to use. There's only one option, and the other is upload and decide later. So the one that's there by default is what we want. Profiles are a preset collection of defaults for your video, so things like your screen size and your picture quality and the location where your screencast will be uploaded to. We want to just use UMB screencast or UMB lecture recording. If you think you have some special recording needs, or if you just want to learn more about the other options, you can contact us and we'll go over what the other profiles are. Next, you have to title your video. And we have a naming convention that we ask you to follow. This helps make it easier for us to keep your recordings organized, and if we have to find your file in the future, it makes it easy for us to find it. So the naming convention is your last name, your first initial, and then a space, then the class abbreviation and number. So for example, English 101, and then the class title. So let's say Shakespeare. The next field is the description, and this is optional. You don't have to put anything, but this is what will be displayed for your students. So your students will be able to see your description. So it may be good to have class information, notes, things like that, but it is optional.